So we are, all on social media these days, and no matter how strict you are with your children about the devices, if they're on Facebook, TikTok, of course, they're seeing what's going on around the world, especially in Ukraine as that conflict rages on. And it can be hard for anybody to process, especially children. CBS 21's Megan Majinski is joining us with some tips on how to talk with them about that topic. Hey, Megan.
Hi, Candace. Now, I'm trying to keep up with the young kids myself, and I'm on TikTok. I've been shocked by some of the things that I've seen, from misinformation, talks about a draft in the U.S., and World War III starting, to some really terrifying images. Now, all of these things can bring up trauma, fear, anxiety for children. So therapist Mark Sigmund from Retreat Behavioral Health recommends starting the conversation with your children. He says the most important thing is making your child feel safe. Let them know that this is happening far away and they're safe with you.
It's so important to do this in an age-appropriate way. I'll give you an example. With adolescents, they know that it's over in Ukraine, right? They know it's far away. But if you're talking with young kids, they have a really hard time deciphering that this is all the way in Ukraine. So you might want to open the conversation about, have you heard about this? I'm glad it's not here.
Now, Sigmund also recommends getting your child off of their devices and playing outside. The sun is out a little more these days, and it's a little bit warmer, so he says we all need a release right now, both adults and kids, after the stress of the last 2 years. And the best way to do that is with physical activity and getting involved with sports and clubs. Now, another tip to starting this conversation is asking what your child has already seen or heard and going from there, because they might be seeing incorrect information online. In the studio, Megan Majinski, CBS 21 News.